All right, fellas, I have something to show you today. I was gifted this Plussino 189 piece fishing kit for Christmas, and at first I thought it might have been a piece of shit, but then I realized, open it up, something like this actually could be a little useful. You figure you have all these little jig heads right here, all these little plastic lures or soft lures. There's a lot of different hooks in here. You got these offset hooks here, and then you have three different size EWG hooks. Not sure how you can see those. And there's even some finesse hooks in here too. In addition to just that, we also have a whole bunch of weights. I mean, there's these split shots, but then there's a bunch of bullet weights. And you even got the little beads and the swivels for like a Carolina rig or something. And then these snaps too. And you have a whole bunch of hard lures and stuff too. I mean, you got the frog, little pencil jig, crankbait, popper, inline spinner. My mom got me this thing. She said it was like 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link for it in the description below. But something like this, you might overlook it or not take it seriously when it comes to fishing tackle, but you can definitely make a little fishing kit for your survival kit out of these. I mean, put a whole bunch of these. They're not very space consuming, along with all the little jig heads and stuff to rig them up. I mean, maybe not put the hard lures in it, but for the sake of space, you could put a whole ton of these little worms and, the little bullet weights and the offset hooks and stuff in there too. And then if you have something like this, this is the Plussino telescopic fishing rod. The sections of the rod here extend. And then, I don't think I can get the whole thing in the camera, but this rod ends up being about 6 feet long. And then you just put the reel on it too. And if you wanted to, you could also include a little bit of power bait in your tackle box or in your survival kit, just to save you from having to go out and catch bugs and lively stuff to use as bait in a real survival situation. Just a quick thought that I had. You could take what I just told you now for whatever you like, but just something good to keep in mind for making a survival kit out of this.